Hey everybody, my name is Funny Nate. My name is Funny Nate. Call me Funny Nate. Where would you like to go today?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut?
Yeah.
You would like to go to Pizza Hut today?
Yeah, I eat pizza.
Okay, Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
Give me your
This
tickets.
is card.
Thanks for the tickets.
No, the card.
Alright, so we need some gas in this thing. So
No, begin with the question.
we need some gas in this thing, so we're gonna go slowly here. So the gas station is over there. So we need to make it to the gas station.
Make it to the gas station.
Yo, we just need to make it to the gas station. Let's go.
Yeah.
Gas station's over there.
No.
We need to get some gas. Gas, so we all our way. Yeah. On this side, you can see houses and trees and a stop sign. You see a stop sign. It means stop. Always stop at a stop sign, okay? Both ways.
No.
And let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get some gas. Here's the gas station.
Yay! Now go to Darcy now. Now go to Darcy.
Take this out.
Now go to Darcy now.
We got our gas.
Now go to Darcy now.
Stay right here because there's a car coming. Back up. Now we're on our way to Pizza Hut.
Yes,
We on 100% gas.
the pizza over there.
Go ahead, over there.
Yeah.
That's correct. On this side, you can see a power pole and some houses that say do not cook there. On this side, you can see a USA flag and trees and more trees and houses. And an abandoned house. That is an abandoned house.
Where
Over
are
there.
we?
Over there is Pizza Hut. Pizza! Pizza! On this side, you see a trash can with a tree. Now we're about to turn around.
Hey, we can about to go home.
Then we're about to go home. Enjoy the ride home.
Yay!
We did it!
That is it.
Alright, it's this day.
It's got pizza.
Stop right here. Look both ways.
Of course. Green light. Green light.
Green light? Yep, green light.
Stop light.
It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Happy bye. Let's go.
You're not getting out of the vehicle until I tell you to get out. Get out of the vehicle. You may cost you $20.
Okay. Yeah, my dear.
You're not getting out of the vehicle yet.
Okay. I'm not crying. You know, I'm not crying.
Did you enjoy the ride?
Yeah.
Let's unbuckle this. Do not get out yet.
Okay.
Do not get out yet. You're free to go, kids. Yeah, get out. Hope you enjoyed the ride.